Let's start with installing Go, and we will also try and set up our local development machine. The first thing that you want to do is you want to download Go. So these are all of the files that we downloaded from GitHub, and this is this README file. I have provided a link right over here. Just click on this link and it will take you to the official download page. So here it is. Now you have to install Go as you would install any other program. Suppose you are using Windows, then make sure you download this setup. Or if you are using Mac, make sure you download the right setup. The one over here, this is for the new silicon chip, and this one is for the Intel chip. And after you have downloaded and installed Go, make sure you open up your terminal, and here we will check if we have installed Go properly or not. So once inside your terminal, just type the command as go and version, and it should give you a version. So at the time of recording, I have the version of 1.19.1. If you are watching these videos in the future, you may have some other version, but Go is backward compatible. So even if you are watching these videos in the future, all of the functionality should work just fine. The next thing that we want to do is we want to install a couple of plugins. Now, as you must have noticed, I'm using Visual Studio Code as my code editor, and I have this plugin right over here. So you can check out this plugin. Just open up your plugins tab, and here just search for Go. And here you can see I have this plugin. So make sure to install this plugin, which is by the Go team at Google. And that's it for this one. Let us write our first Go program right in the next video.